What's going on, guys? And today we're gonna be repairing my grill on my CLK 500. Now, I told you guys in an update video, my grill got damaged in a little accident, got backed into, and as you guys can see, this is cracked. So we're gonna try and repair it by using a plastic welder. This here is the plastic welder that I got, and it comes with all different kinds of material here that we're gonna use to plastic weld. I'm probably gonna use this only because it looks like this will fit for this crack here, and it for sure will. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick on how to use this. So you guys definitely want to insert this first, and then you're actually going to hold the trigger. As you hold the trigger, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is heating up, glowing red. As it's heating up, you want to take it to the item. Just like that. And just like that, you want it to cool off, cool down. And then the kit, whew. And guys, you definitely want to wear a mask because I can smell it. And then you also got a razor blade to cut it off, or they also give you some pliers here to cut them off too. But you want to let it cool off. Definitely says about 45 seconds. We'll give it a little bit more time. Well, it's actually pretty cold out right now, so it's probably gonna be even faster than that. So just give it some time here. Guys, look, that is not going anywhere. That is not going anywhere. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it with my snips here, and try your best to not lose it like how I just did. I say that's pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. Sure, I could sand it down and, you know, tape it and stuff, but for the most part it's pretty good. Hey, get a plastic welder. I got this off of Amazon. This was like $15, so cheap, easy fix. I mean, it can fix plastic. As you guys can see, there's different sizes and things like that. Very simple to use. You let it heat up, you hold the trigger, heats up, you insert it into the metal, let go of it, starts melting inside, holds it in, pull it out, use the pliers or the knife to cut off the ends, and it's that simple. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm probably gonna put this on the car again. All right, guys, so out with the old and in with the newer old. Oh man, it's nice to have this grill back on, man. I don't know, it just feels nicer to me, you know. Even though I don't mind the chrome, just finishes more of the black look of the front than having the chrome star, obviously. But it's all fixed, you know. Right here, this is where it was cracked. I sanded it down. I kind of welded it in a couple more spots. I didn't want to show you guys that because you guys kind of already have the idea. So it's a very simple job, guys. I mean, it was simple, easy to use. Obviously, hold the element to the item that you want to weld. Hold it, wait for it to melt in, then it'll automatically stop. Wait for it to cool off a little bit, then you pull out, it stays in there. Take the pliers, cut them off, or the knife, cut it off. It's simple, guys. And this saves me $180. If I want to get another one down the road, I will, but as of right now, that works perfectly. So, but this was my video on using a plastic welder. It's very simple, and you can use it on all different types of plastics, anything around the house, anything on your car, anywhere. So, but yeah, guys, this is it. She's looking good again. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.